Welcome everyone. In this video we will talk about can eating chicken causes gas. Yes, it is common for people to experience gas after eating chicken. There are a few reasons why this may occur. 1. Protein digestion. Chicken is a meat that is high in protein. When the body digests protein, it can produce gas as a byproduct. Proteins are broken down into amino acids which can then ferment in the gut and lead to the production of gases like hydrogen, carbon dioxide, and methane. 2. Chicken composition. Chicken also contains other components that can contribute to gas, such as fat and carbohydrates. The fat in chicken can be difficult to digest for some people, leading to gas and bloating. Additionally, chicken contains small amounts of fermentable carbohydrates that can be broken down by gut bacteria, also producing gas. 3. Individual differences. People's digestive systems can react differently to the same foods. Some individuals may be more sensitive to the components in chicken and experience more gas and discomfort after eating it. This can be due to factors like gut bacteria composition, enzyme levels, and overall digestive health. 4. Cooking methods. The way chicken is prepared can also impact gas production. For example, fried or breaded chicken may be more difficult to digest compared to grilled or baked chicken. Additionally, slow-cooked chicken in a crock pot or instant pot may break down the proteins more, leading to increased gas. For more information, please go to the description after the end of the video. There is a lot of important information for you. To help reduce gas after eating chicken, some tips include limiting portion sizes and eating chicken in moderation, choosing leaner cuts of chicken and avoiding fried or breaded varieties, cooking chicken in ways that are easier to digest, such as grilling or baking, incorporating digestive enzymes or probiotics to support gut health, allowing sufficient time for the body to digest the chicken before engaging in physical activity. It's important to note that occasional gas after eating chicken is generally not a cause for concern. However, if the gas is accompanied by severe discomfort, bloating, or other concerning symptoms, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional to rule out any underlying digestive issues. Finally, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel to receive everything new. See you in the next videos.